guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be talking about oh my god, what did I say? March. My mind is all over the place. April's Yes Oh Yas bag. So I just got it in. I already kind of opened it up, so I wouldn't struggle on camera trying to open this bag. But I am so excited because if you watched March's video, I got some pretty awesome stuff in there that I really enjoyed. So awesome that it's actually here on my table and I actually use it. So this Cheek to Cheek palette by IBY, I love it. It is so nice. Like this Mora lip cream, yeah, two of my favorites, and that eyeliner I use that eyeliner every day, literally. So I found a lot of stuff that I really loved. I'm really excited for this month's bag. I'm hoping it is just as good. And if you don't know, Yes Oh Yas is a monthly subscription. It is about 18 bucks all in total. But I will have down below in the description box my affiliate link that you guys can click on, and if you want to use it, you can get 10% off your first bag, or you can use the code YOY, and I'll also have that down below if you don't want to use my affiliate link, which is totally fine with me because I do earn a little bit of a commission off of that link. But so there's two options on there if you see this bag and you're really interested and you want to try it out. But for 18 bucks, you get about 5 products, full size, of some awesome makeup. So you can't beat that. So let's go ahead. I'm going to open it up and we can get started. So I already opened. I'm just going to dump everything out on here and just kind of do it that way. Or should I just pull it one by one, one item out at a time? Let's do that. Okay, I'm not going to dump it out. I'm just going to blindly go in and just pull something out. So the first thing that I'm pulling is Bodyography Professional Cosmetics Electric Lip Slide. Ooh. So let's open her up. I don't see. Oh, okay. So this is in the shade Cupid's Bow. But bow, instead of B-O-W, it's B-E-A-U. So that's cute. So this is it right here. And it's by Bodyography. I've heard a little bit about Bodyography. I don't know if I have anything from them. I might. I know this smell. It doesn't smell terrible. It's kind of reminds me a little bit like maple syrupy. If that makes sense. I don't know. Or like the old school bubble gum. I think it is old school bubble gum. Do you get what is it? The little pieces of bubble gum, the pink ones that come wrapped. Bubble yum? I'm not sure. But anyways, that's what it smells like. So sorry, I just totally went off on a tangent. But this is in Cupid's Bow. So I'm just going to swatch it right here. It's kind of thick, but it's really cute. It's a really cute color too. So this is a nice little color. And it is Electric Lip Slide. So it's paraben free, just so you know. But this is the color right here, so you guys can see it. It's a really nice pink, not too bright, not too crazy, but yeah, I think I like that. So we've got a lip product. I didn't wait for it to dry, and I just smushed it smooth. So the next one, okay, the next one is by Sorme, and it is, let me open it up. It's a brush, so it comes from super nice packaging. Let me see if I can open, like, slide her out. All right. Oh, I totally thought I broke it. I don't know if you guys saw that, but like it comes out, but it's supposed to do that. It's a lip brush number 912 by Sorme. So this is the brush right here. Oh, it's nice. It's soft, but it comes apart like that, and you can, kind of like my other lip brush that I have, where it comes apart and you can close it. Oh, that's cute. The packaging is cute because it looks like it's a little pin. I like that. Okay, I love that. Next thing, I'm going to go on this side because my hand was smushed by lipstick, is, ooh, this is by Amore Us USA, and it is the Lady Boss palette. So, ooh, it comes with a mirror. And these, I'm going to take the little protective sheet off so you guys can see it a little bit better. So hopefully there's not like a glare. But it has, ooh, 15 shades. And this is cruelty free. Has a little bunny on the back. But yeah, girl, it's got a lot of nice shades. It's got a lot of colors and like, looks like glittery. Oh, these are soft. This pink one up here, this glittery pink one. Yes, that is soft. Ooh, let's do this purple. Let's do a matte. Let's do this blue. And then let's do this copper one up here. These glitter ones, y'all, they're bouncy. They are soft. Ooh, I bet that is stunning on the eyes. Yes. And then let's do this matte shade. And then this copper. Yes, girl. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see them very well. But this right, oh my god, these like glitter shimmer shades, stunning. And they're so soft and just bouncy the way they feel. So I totally think they're gonna like do great on the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little makeup wipe because I've got shadows and lipstick all over. But I am so excited. I love how colorful this palette is. Because, you know, we always get the ones that are, like, kind of neutral, which I love. You guys know I'm a warm-toned, neutral babe. I love them. But it's nice to get some palettes that have the colors in them. So I'm really excited to use this. I think I'm going to have fun. And, I mean, you still get, you know, like, your browns. Like, this little 3 right here, these 3. I mean, perfect for your crease. And then the rest of them, girl, throw them all over your eye. But holy crap. I'm super excited. And then, let's see. I got Studio Makeup Line Styler Pen in Blackest Black. So this is it. Oh, perfect timing because you guys know I love my Tarte liner pen, but it's like drying out so bad. So I've been using my little Pretty Vulgar gel liner pot to line the tops now because my pen is just so dry and just, but this is a little liner pen similar to that. Let's see how, oh yeah, girl. This one's gonna be good. Y'all see that? That's gonna be good. So I am super, this is like perfect timing. Great. And then the last thing, move this bag, that I got is this, I hope I don't say the name wrong. Dosey, the Polish Purified, Detoxify, and Glow Polish. So it's dead sea salt, activated charcoal, coconut oil, coffee, and balancing essential oil blend. So this is just like a body scrub. I'm going to open her up because I'm going to go ahead and be honest. I'll probably be using her this weekend because I just ran out of body scrub. So again, oh my God. This is literally like the perfect bag right now because I just ran out of some stuff and I need new. And so now I don't have to go buy. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, y'all, this smells so good. It's like a coffee and like the beach smell mixed together, which I am totally down for. Oh, yes, I cannot wait. I will probably, what I'll do is after I use this and try it out a couple times, I'll update you guys on my Instagram, so be sure to follow me there. I'll just take a picture of this and then talk about it underneath it. So I'm like super excited about this. So be sure and follow me on my Instagram. I'll have that linked down below as well so you guys can see how well this works. So perfect timing. But that is it. That is everything we got in our April 2019 bag. Again, another great bag. I am like so happy that I found this on Instagram, and be sure to follow them. I'll link their Instagram down below as well because they try to put out spoilers similar to BoxyCharm, so you can kind of get an idea of what's going to be in the bag. But I am so happy. I honestly had no clue. I knew about the palette, so I was super stoked about that. Because these shades, I really think I'm going to have such a good time like using this palette. And then the eyeliner, perfect timing. And it looks like it dries down matte, which is what I love because I hate shiny eyeliner. Especially like right now, I just want a little bit of shimmer because you guys know I like my glitter on my eyelids. But I don't want my eyeliner to take away from that. So I really think I'm going to enjoy this, and this is just perfect timing. And then the lips, the only thing I knew about was that palette. I should do a better job keeping up with Instagram. And this, girl, this is such a nice like little brush. So nice. So this is everything for 18 bucks. Let me see. Let's see how much everything is on their website because I can do what I did last time and find out. So let's do it. Amore Us Lady Boss palette. Okay, so the palette is $9. We should be writing this down. Let me find something because I want to make sure we tally up everything. So the palette is $9. Let's find out. Dosey the polish. So I totally just Googled this. I'm on their website, doseyblends.com. And it says that it is $17, which is basically the price of the entire bag. Oh, and just so you guys know, in the shower it says apply a handful of the polish onto your hand and exfoliate for the body and let it sit for 5 minutes. Or you could do it as a detox bath and put 2 handfuls into warm running water and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. So that is good to know. I didn't know you could use it both ways. So it says $17. Is that for one? I don't know. It looks like it's for one the way it's like set up. So if so, I mean we're already over the price of the bag. Bodyography. Electric lip slide. So let's go. According to the website, Bodyography website, their electric lip slides are $20. So, wow, it's expensive. Sorbet lip brush. Ooh, I can't spell today. Okay, so the Sorbet lip brush. Let me find Sorbet Cosmetics. I think that's what it is. Okay, so I see it for like a range of prices. It says at sleekshop.com it's $14 and at Walmart it's $20. So I'm not sure exactly how much, but it looks like it'd be a really nice brush. And then, oh, my new eyeliner. So Studio Makeup. Okay, so the line styler pen is $18 on their website, studiomakeup.com. So, we've got I should just use a calculator, guys. Girl, I can't math right now. I'm just going to be honest. 9 plus 17 plus 20 plus 18. And the other one, since I'm not really sure about the price, I'm just going to leave it out. But, okay, we'll just say $10. But even if $10, it's $74 and you only paid $18 for the bag. So, I'm super excited. I'm really excited to try these brands. Some of them I've heard of before, and some of them I haven't. So it really lets me broaden my makeup. So, makeup what? Makeup collection? Maybe. But that is it for this video. If you guys like videos like this, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.